My beautiful and amazing people, make una come see wonders wey no fit ever end. According to the information wey dey reach our table right now, omo, Ipa don kolo mentos on top of Reji head sotey e reach the one wey Ipa dey go dey confront person wey from im heart genuinely come to help without asking for too much. On top of wetin, my people, make una draw una chair come closer, make una come hear matter wey dey ground. Wonders e no fit ever end. Before I go cap una the koko of the cocoline, I greet una according to the time wey una dey take come across this video. To my returning and amazing subscribers, you guys are the real MVP. I heart una so very plenty for always supporting this brand. May God in His infinite mercy continue to dey bless una, replenish una pocket, guide and protect una for all you do. And to my first time viewers, thank you for stopping by. I remain your humble girl, Gifted Gist. I'm dey bring una latest of all legit info. If you never subscribe to this channel, I use God to beg una make una help us subscribe. Hit on notification bell so I go notify you anytime we drop latest ogbonge tori like this. My beautiful and amazing people, I say if this story when I carry come for una from the information center na true, na im be say Ipalolo don enter one chance. Omo, this matter when I dey tell una like this e longi make una carry una chair come sit down, make una hear matter see how person take carry person for mind, e no want make the person even progress at all at all. Now, according to the information, allegedly, una know say Reji mama celebrated her birthday inside last month wey she buy 2 motor give im mother. E say one to replace the one wey Ipa collect for im hand after e say e no do again, as if na small pikin e come collect car. Na the mother na im talk am no be me talk am. She say one of the car wey dem buy for her, dem later come collect am. The other one she use am go hit something, get accident with am. So as such, she no come get any other car with her again. She come dey jump from okada to keke to drop up and down before im daughter come buy 2 at once to replace the ones wey be say dem don collect. And not only replacing it, she replace am with something bigger, something more unique, something fantabulous. Omo, as we dey talk that one dey go, na dey say e get one family friend. You know say no be today na Reji dey enter big places, and all these senators, House of Assembly members, and all these big people, most of them based on the girl wey get light, wey her light dey shine no be small, wey make the mother practically talk am say im daughter get enough light, na im make Ipa dey use her light dey shine im own falling star. Now, a senator wey be say e bin don dey follow Reji dey come for a very long time, na person wey be say im like the family well well. E even dey blame the mother during that time wey be say the first time wey matter burst, wey e become a thing of talk. They do reach where the man dey. The man come even dey advise the mother say, "Toh, at this point in time, im go advise make the mother too enter her entertainment line fully. Say even this politics sef, e no really be am. But if she feel say okay, she still wan put head for the politics, no wahala. But make sure say her side hustle wey be entertainment, make she no leave am at all at all." He advise her that time. Say thank God say her daughter already dey into that one, na inbuilt, na follow come from birth. So make dem work on how they go take dey do their thing. Say in any way he can, he will support them. That time but still Reji, one thing lead to the other, he later return back to Ipa. At the end of the whole matter put together, this man, according to wetin we hear, allegedly say the man later was not feeling fine during all the time wey Reji come out, come talk, na she yarn wetin she yarn. say in Ipa's house she is nobody, but in her papa house she is somebody, and so on and so forth. During that time, the man was not strong, which is this senator. He was not strong. And you know as e dey be now, all these our big big men, before you know, whom they don't fly come up for Naija, go find solutions to their problem. As he fly comot, when im go come back, thank God, to the glory of God, Reji don go obodo na oyibo, don go source for medical medical report, don bring out ogbonge one wey come counter the one wey Ipa dey talk say she dey into druggy, she dey do this, she dey do that. Thank God again, only him come still come contradict himself, saying that him talk say she be addict, no mean say she no dey take am, she go abstain, come do the test, this one that one. Na people come drag am enter house. So thank God, to the glory of God, as he return, e don already come mean say dem don celebrate mama Reji birthday. But im come promise say time this one wey im don return back, no be something of thank God say the girl don go clean her name. So anybody wey even dey mingle with her, because the essence of that druggy matter that time na for say make everybody comot for where she dey, make nobody wan associate with her, so that by the time she look left, look right, according to the Reji she say, so that by the time wey they look left, look right, she see say nobody dey with her, she no go get option but to return back to Ipa. But wetin im plan no be wetin come happen. As she don go do this one, everybody now want to even mingle with her, want to do transaction with her, do one or two with her. They dey like back to back. Now she dey shoot now, she no even get rest, she no see road rest. And she too, she wan open her own YouTube handle. She bin even get whether na to refresh am, rearrange am, make she start dey post there, or na to open new one. Na only God know the one wey Reji wan do. So for now ma sef, work even plenty for her. Anywhere wey she face now, Reji this, Reji that, Reji this, Reji that. Work too much for her hand now. So when the man come return back, na im, based on say im don promise dem say if im return, make mama Reji no worry, im go surprise her, e get gift for her. After he pray for her for her birthday, the woman too was happy. She said, oh, no wahala. She was not even expecting that he's coming back anytime soon. You know, na that kind of thing, na to just collect your prayer, enter house. Funny enough, the man now come return. As he return, now they say the man come check up on Reji and him mama. When he finally came to show his own support on the process, you know, say sometimes they say plenty adviser with zero helper. In own case, to be like that. As if you say you already dey advise the mama Reji for a very long time, say make she enter this entertainment fully, because if they see how people wey no even reach the Reji how they make am for the entertainment industry, and that it go make sense if she get side hustle and she no use am play, because na inbuilt, na person wey be say na from birth na she start dey do this thing, so no be today. And knowing fully well that her stars dey shine well, she dey good at what she does, say make the mama no use am play, make the both of them, thank God say the both of them na star face already, so e go make sense if they put hand put leg together. So in order to support the process, na they say this man he come ask them say, okay, to convey people wetin they really need. They say mama Reji say she know nothing, no any gift from him, this one that. And I say, okay, what will happen is the money wey im hold for hand now, e no reach the money of wetin im really wan buy. E come send make dem go ask for roller coaster car wey be say e go fit dey convey people from one location to the other according to the information. So that e go fit dey help in the process of movement. Because one thing with location set, if you no get movement, no be small money na you go dey spend. So that by the time wey you go dey convey people from one location set to the other, that one na another added advantage. When im send go make dem go confirm am, because im no wan buy wetin be say, you know say this life now, life don change. You fit buy gift for person, if the person no dey there when you buy am, or the person dey suspect you to use am, go become problem. If you carry am sef go dash another person, so e no wan buy gift wey be say at the end of the day maybe the woman no come use am, or they go dey think otherwise. So e need to buy wetin for there they go use their eye see am, e come send, they go confirm am, roller coaster wetin they confirm am, they say na 22M na im be the money according to the information. So after they found out it was 22, now he said okay, for them to really know say e wan buy, na so e take sign the money wey dey for im car, e send make dem carry am, make dem go give dem. Money wey dey there na 9M out of 22, because say if im return, im go send the remaining one as a form of support, so that they go get to work. They say no be small celebration, no be small jolly, no be say Regi no go fit do am o, or no be say the mama really ask for am, but you know na that kind thing already is a relief. God don do am now. Money wey she go take dey say she wan use am buy something like that now, she go use am put am for another thing, do another business, you get as e dey be. So she was so happy that kai this man, he put a smile on her face. They no do coverage oh, they no do video oh, they no do picture oh, they no do anything oh, because they don't want it on social media, because they know say their matter, before you know, everywhere don burst, everybody don carry am. They say I say who say, before you know, they will start dey drag the politician, say because of you don see fine girl, you don dey go find fine girl, no forget say the girl don marry before oh, don't forget say the girl they never pay bride price, as in they will start dey drag the man. So in order to avoid that, they say okay, they no go post any, they no go even do any video or picture at all at all. They wan just do am as e dey private like that, make e dey private. Before you know, before they say Jack, Ipa don find out say something like that happen. Na im the Ipa come go, according to the information, go dey send series of warnings to that man, say why would he do that, say knowing fully well say the senator know say him and Regi na im wife, and that they have misunderstanding, that he has never for one day called him to talk to him about the misunderstanding, or what are their way forward, what are his way forward in making sure say they reconcile. He never for one day talk about am. Now e just come from nowhere, come dey order for motor for location. Say him tell am say he no fit afford am, if no be the girl wey dey mumu herself, say what is roller coaster of 22M wey dem no fit buy, say if no be say she reject am, she reject everything about am because she no wan get anything to do with am, what is roller coaster wey you wan use go deceive the girl. This one that one dey talk a lot, say as from now henceforth he no wan see am close to the girl again. I am like, how many people na this man wan take go dey pursue on top of Regi matter? How many people, and wetin im stand to gain in doing all of these things, and why is he doing it? Now this person did not even come for Regi, he come for the mother. You no even know wetin im don see, you don dey talk things, you don dey say you don't want to see him there again. If you no wan see am there again, the girl na your daughter abi na your relative? Person say e no do again, say relationship no work, I no wan do again, e don become a do or kpai affair, say e must do. Anybody wey near am na problem. E don set camera for the girl body, anything wey she do, even the one wey she no wan make e come out, you go know, you go follow am go dey find am up and down. Na im dey say the senator tell am say he no get any business with am, na the mama Regina na im get business with, and of which im don fulfill all righteousness. Wetin im bin promise her from im mind for her birthday, im don do am. So that one concern am. Anything wey im wan talk na im know. He no do am for social media, or he no do am for validation, or he no do am because of say he need something from the family. He did it because he has promised them and they have come a long way. That is why he did what he did. He's not doing it for clout chasing, or because of say he want make they applaud am. No, he did it because he want to put a smile on their face, say they don't too try, and they have been there for him too. So why won't he do it? They say na the reply wey he give Ipa be that. Ipa was so disappointed getting that reply from his fellow colleague, that him own don finally finish, no be lie. unlike before wey be say the respect wey dem dey give dat man anywhere wey e enter alone. I see person dey ask for comment section say na everyday you dey talk say it is over for dis man and still he is flourishing. You no go know the over wey we dey talk. Imagine over when nobody now send you. Even if you post your political waka man, nobody know say you dey exist until when you come post the girl children. When you come post Reji children, na that time they go know say you dey. And the coming why they come dey comment sef na single father sorry o, single father you dey really dey hear am, Reji do this one, abeg take care of them well o, may time go come they will later remember their mama, this one that one na wetin you go just dey hear for the comment section. Like no be say anybody really send am like that. So is that one not over already? Dat one alone, is it not over? Make una dey play. My people, na the matter be dis o. E don go dey cut warning to im fellow senator on top of Reji head. Why? Because the senator do good. Tell me wetin dis man dey look for. But funny enough, as God no be man, the more wey im dey try im best to take scatter am so that nobody go look Reji side, the more God dey show am say im na God. Na wetin im like na im go do to the Reji and her family and not the other way round. God dey continue to dey come through and God will never put her to shame. Once again, I am happy for Mama Regina. Keep on achieving, keep on doing things. Regina, all the very best. My people, na the matter be this o. Hey, e sweet me for my body as the man give am that shocking response. Say make him know say no be everybody na him go do that drama with. No be everybody na him go talk to anyhow wey you go go scot free. Abi guys, what do you think? Make una come make we interact. Do well to give the video a massive thumbs up. Help us share, like for more like minds and more recommendations. See you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.